Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Sami. So in this video, we will see how to upload a PDF file from Canvas Power App and how we can read it from what can I say, the Power Automate, and using an AI builder, how we can read that attachment which we have attached from the Canvas Power App. So to begin with, first navigate to meet.powerapps.com. I'll create a simple, what can I say, the Power App application. I'll create with the tablet mode. Let's wait for the page to get loaded. Yeah, the page gets loaded successfully here. So I'll rename it to come screen. Yeah, so I'll just insert a dataset here. Usually we don't want a dataset, but I need to get an attachment control. So to get that attachment control, I'm just using some random database here, nothing else. So I'm just going to insert an edit from here. I'll add a data source. Yeah. So I'm just selecting the fields and I'm just adding an attachment field here and click on add. So once it's loaded, I'll just copy this attachment data card value alone. So let me just copy that. I'll just paste it outside the, what can I say, the form. Now I'll just delete this form here. I don't want the form again. So there are a couple of errors will be available. Let me remove that errors. Yeah. Now the attachment control is ready. So you can set the values as maximum attachment and minimum of the attachment value. How much you want to add it. So for now, I'll just you go ahead and use it as one. So I'll just leave it as it is. So now I'm just going to insert a button. So I'll name the button as upload. Yeah. So I'll just save this up. Save it as upload file from PowerApps and read via AI. I'll save this one. So now the Canvas Power App is done. I'll just directly go and create my AI here. So I'll just click on more. I'll say show you the sample. What can I say? The file which I plan to use for the AI to train it. So for that, these are my sample thing which I'm just coming. So it will be like some of the names will be available. So based on this one, it just read this from AI and it should send a response to my, what can I say, the Canvas Power App. So for that, first I'll just directly go to my what can I say, AI part directly. So I'll just directly say AI models. I'll say extract custom information from document. So I'll just say create a custom model. Let's wait for the model to get loaded. So now here it will ask whether it is an invoice or unstructured document or structured document. I'll just directly select the unstructured document because I am going to use some random document. So I'll just select the unstructured document and I'll just click on next. I'll add, so for now I'll just going to use a name field alone. So I'll just say username and click on done. So once it's done, I'll just click on next. I'll add a new collection here. So collection is nothing but the documents which I'm having in my system. So I'll just directly go to my what can I say, Yeah, so I'll just select all this thing and then click on OK. Let's wait for the files to get uploaded. Okay, it's uploaded successfully. I'll click on done. I'll click on next now. So now I just need to map the name which is available in each document. So for example, I'll just select this user. I'll just select the name. I'll go to the next document. I'll select this one and map it to name. I'll click on the next one. I'll select the thing name. I'll click on this one. I'll go to the next document. Select the name. Sorry, we select the name properly. Select it. I'll go to the next one and select the name and click on this one. So now all the documents get mapped successfully. I'll click on next. I'll train this one. Let's wait for the what can I say, the AI to get trained. I'll go to the model. So here you can able to see the status is training. So let's wait for the what can I say, the training to get completed. So I think it's taking some time. Let it load. So within the meantime, I'll just go to my Power App. I'll directly create a new Power Automate flow here. So I'll just going to create an instant cloud flow. It's just going to send the attachment from my what can I say, the Canvas Power App to my Microsoft flow. That's it. So I'll just create a new flow here. So I'll name it as a receive PDF from Canvas Power Apps. I'll just simply pass a parameter as a file. So I'll name it as a file content. So I'll just add a new step here. I'll just initialize a variable here. This is just to save a file to proceed. So sorry, just a variable. Initialize a variable. I'll just say demo. I'll just save this one. So it's done now. So what I'm just going to do, so this is the data card value. I'll rename it to upload data card. Yeah. So now the Canvas Power gets the Power Automate gets loaded. So I'll send it as a receive a PDF from Canvas Power App.run. I need to pass it a file. So what is the file I need to pass it? I need to pass the content bytes. So what is the content bytes here? It is nothing but the first value of the what can I say, the upload data card which I just upload from the data card dot attachments dot value. So I need to pass a value, nothing else. I'm not doing anything. I'm just passing a value. So once I've done this one, I need to pass another value which is nothing but the name. So what is the name I need to pass? I just need to directly copy this one and paste it there, and I will say name. That's it. Okay, I'll just close this one and close it. Perfect. So let me just zoom it and show you. So what I have done. So I'm just saying a file I'm going to pass. So the content bytes. So the value from the content bytes, which is nothing but an attachment, and the name I'm just passing it here. That's it. Okay. So now I'll just save this one and publish this one as well. So within the meantime, I'll open make.powerautomate.com as well. So here, okay, I think the document is still training. Let's wait for this to get completed. So the model gets trained successfully, and you can able to see the 80% what can I say, the model got trained success. So I'll just say publish. So once this gets published, so we can able to see this what can I say, the model in our Power Automate flow. So let's wait for this to get published. So within the meantime, I will go to my flow, change the environment. I'll edit this one. Turn off the designer. I will say AI model. I'll search for document, extract information from documents. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, let me see whether it is published. Yeah, it's published successfully. I'll select this model. I'll select the form type, which is a PDF document. And what is the form I need to pass it? This is nothing but the file content, which I'm just getting it from the Canvas Power App. I'll just save this one now. So now let's have a quick test. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly run this one. I'll just directly attach any one of the file which is here. I'll just say upload. So I'll just go to my flow. I'll just open this flow. So I can able to see the, what can I see, the document with the byte scheme here. Let's wait for the information. So I'll just scroll down. So here you can see the name gets populated successfully. Now what I want to do, I just need to return back the response to Canvas Power App so that while uploading that, I can able to get the response immediately. I'll just say respond. So I'll name it as output. So here I'm just going to pass the name value, which is nothing but the what can I say, the output from the AI. So now this is done. I'll just directly go to my Power App. I'll just refresh my the flow because I just added output parameter there. So here I'll just, for now I'll just say set output from Power Automate comma dot, this is the output value. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this one, Power Automate. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Here I'll just add a label here. I'll put a text as the output which is from the AI. So for that I'll just say output from AI. Yeah. So I'll just directly run this one. I'll just upload this. Let's wait for the upload to done because obviously the AI will take at least 10 seconds because it is based on the size of the file. So here you can able to see the name automatically gets populated. Now I'll just remove this one. I'll add on another attachment. I'll upload this. You can able to see the name here. So that's it. So this is how you can simply use a Canvas Power App. From Canvas Power App, you can able to, you can attach the document that will directly send it to the Canvas Power App, and from there we will train a model in Power Automate, and we'll pass the attachment from Power Automate to the AI model, and we'll get the response and we'll just show it out here. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.